What's up everybody, it's your boy JREAMERS right now. We're gonna be checking out NewJeans' official debut. Now they've been posting like already music videos. Like instead of teasers, they've been posting music videos, as one of my Discord members said. So do you. He said like they're not even just posting teasers, it's just full out music videos, and it kind of shows like their full, what they can give you, like their vibe. So I feel like a lot of things have been said about NewJeans because they just came out of nowhere, like abruptly. They're under Adore, which is a under Hype label. They're also managed by Minheejin. I'm not sure if that's correctly said. Minheejin, and it's quite interesting. There's a lot of like things that have been said around this group. I was genuinely curious about what other people thought of their like debut coming up. So I asked it on my Instagram, which you should follow at JREAMERS. And here are a few of them. Obviously I'll do it anonymously, but if you do want to participate in these things that I'll be doing probably continuously for other new groups, or just like in general, if I have a question, I'll be asking questions and you say your answers and I just share it anonymously. One initial thought from a follower from my Instagram was, once I seen their new song, I liked it. It's not generic and their concept is Another one said, I love their sound and aesthetic, just not sure how I feel about how young the members are, which is also a lot of people have been saying, even me. Like the K-pop is, obviously I'm getting older and K-pop's getting younger, but still the members are hella young. If I'm not mistaken, one of them is 14. You could correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Another comment is like, I love them, super refreshing, youthful, excited for their future. I am curious about their future too, because I do actually like the vibe. I have checked out their Hype Boy. Hype Boy is actually really good. I like the way they promoted and marketed it. It's pretty new. I like it. I checked out Attention as well. It stood out to me. I love the beat, like the way that they were, just their vibe is good. Even though for Hype Boy as well, I love the catchiness and the vibe of it, even though I don't relate to the lyrics per se, but it is a vibe. Another one says, not super crazy about them, to be honest. Like, I don't really see myself standing them. Best 4th gen girl group debut. I said what I said. I love their vibe. It's so innocent and age appropriate. Everything about them is so fresh. Another follower said, I was obsessed with their concept until I found out how young they are. I like them. Their sound is so nostalgic and so different from new groups coming out. And I do agree. That's why it got my attention. I was like, ooh, I do love their sound. Honestly, I just can't keep up with K-pop anymore, so I am not even checking out any of the new groups. I felt that, but shout out to my Discord for keeping me up to date. And those are some of the comments from Instagram, so if you guys want to participate in that again and see just some behind the scenes and some awesome videos and stuff, like other things I create and like tease, go check out my Instagram, follow at JREAMERS. I did check out NewJeans' Attention and Hype Boy. Also heard on my Twitch, I Was a Potato. I'm liking the vibe of NewJeans so far, to be honest. I know it's a long intro, but I was very actually curious about what you guys think as well, so put it in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's check out NewJeans' Cookie. Let's get it, let's go. Play my intro. NewJeans' Cookie official MV. Let's get it, let's go. Captions on. 3, 2, 1, bow. Well, that's a big cookie. I mean, it is called Cookie. Did he say yeah? Is that? Again, I like the vibe of the beat already. Baked it just, ooh. Rent free? Rent free? Hey. The lyrics are interesting though. Sweet sugar, my dessert, my mic. But the beat, who makes the production? Like, who makes the beat of these? Like the past songs for NewJeans, and their EP is coming out or is already out. Ooh. scent alone make what? Are they referring themselves as a cookie or what's happening? Ooh. It is a vibe though, yo. Who made the beats for these? Like everything from the attention to hurt to hype boy. It's like one of those where you just Hey, hey. Oh, ooh. Hey, are those mixtapes? Oh, is that the actual CD? What an interesting name too, NewJeans. Make all the things that ruin my diet. Girl, I'm not. Hey, hey. It's just a simple shot and beat too, with some like FXs. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, okay, Corey, yo. Hey. They are definitely a different vibe. From the choreo to the beat. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, the whole vibe of them. Ooh, that's fire. Simple, simple. I like it. Ah. Cavity's your problem, what the? Adore. NewJeans. The whole I feel like I had this conversation with a friend of mine that we're basically going back in time with music, and it definitely has a hella old school vibe, and I'm actually really liking it. I do like the old school vibe of it. Definitely a lot lower tone than Hype Boy, but I do like this kind of vibe. Like, they are a vibe. Very minimalistic setting too, which I do like and enjoy. It's very simple, even though like it goes from like that part where it goes black to white. That's fire. They've been hitting up with like pretty catchy choruses, but I'm actually really curious to see how their music progresses in the future. Very R&B laid back vibes, which is really up my alley. So again, I really do like the vibe of NewJeans, but they're hella young too. And I feel like not just them, but a lot of other groups that are like debuting very young is kind of weird to me. I know that like past idols debuted very young, but that doesn't change the fact that it's still a little uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, put in the comments down below what you guys thoughts on NewJeans and their song that just came out, their first debut song, Cookie. I really want to know your opinions on this as well. You guys like me to include Instagram to ask questions and for me to use on YouTube as well. But yeah, can't wait to see what the future brings. They definitely do stand out for sure. Out of the, I guess this is the 4th generation. It's the 4th generation? Bro, I've lost count. But I'm pretty sure it's the 4th or 5th, I'm not sure. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. You have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.